Hi Sneha,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
I'm good too. We were just about to leave the class. We thought no one is joining.
Oh,
Hello, are you here?
yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Actually, your voice is coming very low, ma'am. Just check it out.
Is it okay now?
Like, still it is low. I can hear, but it's very low.
I do see all the system, everything is working fine at my end. How about now?
Yeah, now little better, ma'am.
All right, okay. Okay, so Shresht will be attending the class now.
Hmm.
Okay, Shresht, over to you.
Good morning. How are you? It is still, I don't know. Just check your volume better.
Ma'am, volume is fine. I just checked. I also. Um, Ma'am, now?
I'm actually, the voice is only low. Everything else is clear. I can see the videos and everything clear.
is it better now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can hear you.
Okay. All right.
I'm fine, mom. How are you, mom?
I'm good, better. Okay, so just tell me something about yourself first.
Ma'am, my name is Isani and is in class 5th K.
And you're from which place?
Now I'm from Delhi.
You're
Delhi.
from Delhi. Okay. And what's your hobby? Tell me something more.
Ma'am, my hobby is to play football and to do karate.
Okay, very good. So, today you know why we are here?
Ma'am,
No?
Shreyas?
Basically, we are going to discuss something today. I'll be discussing on the topic time. Okay.
Time.
Now tell me, yes. Now, can you tell me what do you mean by time in your own words? Just tell me anything that you know. Anything that you know.
Okay.
Like, what do you mean by that? Feel free. Just if you know anything, you just tell me in your own words. What do you mean by time? What do you see over there? How many hands do you see? Anything like that. Okay. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in time, ma'am, in time, I understand that
Mhm. What do you
helps
understand?
to it helps to at
It
that
helps you
is
to.
the
Mhm.
that is the current.
हिंदी में बता दो कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, okay, suppose if I ask you, you have a daily routine,
हिंदी
right?
में क्या होता है?
You have a daily routine, you get up in the morning, you have your breakfast, you get ready for the school. Okay, so you have a fixed schedule for that, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. So what you are going to do? Now tell me.
now what? Could you repeat again?
Like I said, that you have a fixed schedule, right? You have a fixed, everything is fixed for you. that yes, you have a fixed time over here when you wake up in the morning, when you have your breakfast, when you have to go to the like when you will be going to school, at what time do you have your lunch break, everything. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have a fixed time for that, right? You are following a routine. Then you have a routine at what time you will be coming back from your school, at what time you have your lunch, when do you go to bed at night, everything, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
all these tell you a particular time over there, right? So time is basically the list of ongoing events, like what events have taken place in the past, what is going on in the present, and what will be taking place in the future, right? It tells you sequence of events going on. Like you are also telling your daily routine from morning to night, right? So this is what time is. Now, when you have to refer back to any particular thing, for example, suppose if you want to refer back to a particular date, that what was the day when we had Holi last year, okay? When did we have Diwali last year? So you will be referring to calendar in that case, right? To know the particular date and days, okay? Okay. So today what we will be covering is
Time.
yes. So first, just a recap of the basic things. Just tell me how many hours we have in a day.
Ma'am, we have 24 hours in a day.
Yes, correct. We have 24 hours in a day. And 1 hour is equal to
Ma'am,
how many
60 minutes.
minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes, correct. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds?
Ma'am, 60 seconds.
Yes, absolutely correct. Now, how many hands do you see in a clock?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes. So, can you tell me what are they?
Ma'am, the first one is hour hand,
Hmm.
second one is minute hand, and ma'am, the third one is second hand.
Okay, that's correct. Okay. Now, if I ask you, do you know how to add or subtract the timing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let me just give you a few questions. Let's see. Okay.
So, Sneha, you will be covering all the patterns and questions according to the
Yes, ma'am.
according to
According to the syllabus that they have.
which syllabus?
Like the team will be sharing the syllabus over here for the Olympiads.
Okay.
And they are dealing with the same chapters in the school also.
No, I'm not
Okay.
concerned about school.
Hmm.
I'm only concerned about Olympiad. For school,
Yeah.
I am teaching him. Okay. So school syllabus I will cover.
Yeah,
I
no
am
problem.
only and
We have
only
the Olympiad
100%.
syllabus, ma'am.
Yeah, 100% I am focused on Olympiad. I do not want anything else. The practice pattern questions on logical reasoning
Yeah, ma'am,
and
like
problem solving.
yes. So here what we have is like after every chapter, they will be given the practice sets also. So once you will be enrolling for the course, you will be getting complete reading material and the practice sets for each and every chapter.
See, Sneha, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Practice sets, reading material, everything for Olympiad is available on market. I can purchase it on my own. My concern is to make his concept clear so that he can do those practice
Yes,
sessions.
we will be
So
making
I have not joined Olympiad Success for practice sets or reading material. I don't want that.
no,
My
first we
no,
explain
what
just
I'm
the
saying, my
concept.
concern is that his concept should be clear. Kya hai, Shresh? His
Yes,
concept should be clear.
yes, ma'am. Because
Okay.
first we deal with the concepts only, then we deal with the questions.
Yes, that's what. Okay, so take your time. And all right then. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So when we are adding, okay, while addition, what do? We have time in different sections over here. We have 3 columns, right? The hours, the minutes, and seconds. Right. So here, what we will be doing? Tell me. First, you will be adding which section? Which column?
Ma'am, what? Could you repeat again?
First, you will be adding up which column?
Now it would be adding seconds column, then minutes,
Yes.
then hours.
Yes, correct. We always start from our right hand side. Okay. Is my screen visible to you better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, like you can see for addition, we always start from our right hand side. We will be adding the seconds over here. And the moment it exceeds 60, because we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? So the moment you see that it is exceeding 60, you will be just carrying that 1 minute in your left hand side, and you will be writing the remaining seconds over here. For example, right now, what is 30 plus 55?
I'm 80.
85.
Yes, ma'am.
55 plus 30 is 85, right? Now you cannot write 85 over here because it is exceeding 60, right? We can have only 60 seconds over here, not more than that. So what we will be doing, I'll be just subtracting this 60 seconds from it, and I'll be writing the remaining time. What will be the remaining time now?
Ma'am, the remaining time would be 20, not 25.
25. Yes, not 20. It would be 25. Now over here, when I'm subtracting 60 seconds, that means I'm just shifting this 1 minute. I'm converting it into 1 minute and I'm adding over here. Okay. So basically, I'll be just adding 1 minute over here. 60 seconds make 1 minute. So I'm just adding 1 minute over here. Now let's go with the minute section over here. What is 20 minutes plus 30 minutes?
Now 50.
50 minutes. We have 50 minutes over here. And if you add 1 minute over here, what will you get?
Now I would get 51 minutes.
Correct. So here in the minutes column, you will be getting 51, right? Now what is this 3 plus 1 hour?
Now it would be 4 hours.
Yes. So here we have 4 hours. Now if in case your minute hand also exceeds 60 minutes, okay, then 60 minutes makes 1 hour, right? So you will be doing the same way the way I did for seconds and minutes. You will be subtracting that 60 minutes and adding 1 hour to your hours column. Okay. So here we don't have exceeding over here 60 minutes. So you will be just writing this 4 hours. This is your hours. This is your minutes. And this is your seconds. Okay. Clear this one? How we will be doing? If it exceeds 60 seconds or 60 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go with the subtraction. So again, over here, we will be just making 3 different columns. One for the hours, another one for the minutes, and then for the seconds, right?
Yes,
Again, let's check it out. If the top value over here, the value which is written on top, whether it's less than the bottom value or more than the bottom value. Yes. If it is less, then we need to borrow 1 minute from our left hand side. Okay. Let's go. 30 minus 55. Is it possible to subtract practically?
No.
No, you cannot subtract. So what you will be doing in this case, you will be just borrowing 1 minute from your left hand side. Okay. If you borrow 1 minute is equal to how many seconds?
Ma'am, 60.
60 seconds, right? And since you have borrowing from minutes, you will be taking only 1 minute from this end. But yes, when you are coming to the seconds column, you will be writing in seconds. Okay. So here, because you are taking 60 seconds as the borrowing, you will be adding up the 60 seconds. And now this makes 90 seconds,
No,
right?
90. Yes, ma'am.
So here you got 90 seconds now. Now, can you easily subtract 90 minus 55?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how much you will be getting?
90 minus 55.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I would get. Ma'am, I would get. Ma'am, I would get 35.
Yes, correct. So I'm going to write 35 seconds over here. Okay. Now, since you have given a borrowing of 1 minute, this 20 minute will become now 19 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget to subtract because you are also giving 1 minute as the borrowing. So this 20 minutes will become 19 minutes. Now tell me, can you subtract 19 minus 30?
No, ma'am.
Again, this is not possible. So again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 1 hour as the borrowing from my left hand side. So this borrowing I'm taking over here. So again, 1 hour will be equal to how many minutes?
Ma'am, 60.
60 minutes. So definitely in the columns of minutes, I'll be converting into minutes and I'll be adding that time. Okay. So I'm going to add this 60 minutes over here. And now what will be the value over here, beta?
Ma'am, the
60 plus 19 would be 79, right? Here you have 19, here you have 60. So here you have 79. Now you have to subtract 79 minus 30.
Ma'am, 79 minus
30.
40. Ma'am, the answer would be 49.
Yes, exactly. Because I have taken 60 minutes extra over here. So now I got 79 minutes with me and I can easily subtract 30 minutes from it, okay? So I'm getting 49 minutes. Now again, since you have given 1 hour borrowing, this will become 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is 2 minus 1?
1.
1. Very good. Now I'm just giving you one more question, okay? Let me see if the concept is clear to you or not. So here I'm going to give you any random question now. Yes. Now just go for this question, beta. Give it a try. Let me see if the concept is clear to you. What we will be doing as the first step,
Ma'am, first we would take carry.
okay, you will be taking the borrowing over here.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will be doing? You will be taking borrowing from which column?
Ma'am, I would be taking minutes.
Yes, you will be taking borrowing from minutes. So what will you be getting over here?
Ma'am, then I would be getting 45 plus 60.
Correct. So 45 plus 60, this would be equal to?
This would be equals to ma'am 105.
Yes, now you're getting 105. So now you need to subtract 105 minus 54, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what will you get?
I would get. I would be getting 51.
51, yes. 5 minus 4 would be 1. 10 minus 5 would be 5. Correct. So here you will be getting 51. Now we just borrowed because it was not possible for us to subtract 45 minus 54, right? So I just took a borrowing over here. Okay. Now tell me, what is the next step? Then what you are going to do in the minutes column?
Mom, then I would do plus 16.
No. First, you will be subtracting the new. Here you have given one borrowing, na beta. So first you need to make it 28, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, is it possible for you to subtract 28 minus 50?
No, ma'am.
No. So now you will be taking a borrowing. So here when you take the borrowing, you will get plus 60, right?
Plus 16.
So what is this now? 28 plus 60?
Mom, it is 88.
Yes. So here now you are getting 88. Can you easily subtract 88 minus 50?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Mom was doing.
How much you will be getting?
38.
38 minutes, correct. Now again in the hours section, what you will be doing?
Mom, then I would change the 5 to 4.
Yes, correct. Then,
And then the answer would be 2.
yes, very good. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So here we are getting this 2 hours,
Ma'am, 2 hours 30 minutes.
38 minutes
And then 51.
and 51 seconds. Okay, now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you know how do you convert the 24 hours clock format to 12 or 12 hours clock format to 24? You know this? How do we convert?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to do it.
See, after a clock takes 2 rounds in a day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when it takes the first round, if you go with the 12-hour clock format, the first round is considered to be as AM over here, right? And the second round, when it takes the second round over here, another 12 hours, that would be considered as PM, right? So this is according to the 12 hours clock format. So after 12 hours, you will again get the time as 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. So from 12 midnight, it starts from 12 midnight and till 12 over here, you will be having like the moment you just go to 12 noon, that will be PM, and before that 11:59, it is AM, right? So now after that, again, what you will be doing, the moment you go to the 1 PM, okay, in the afternoon, here in the 12-hour clock format, it again switches to 1 over there. You will be getting 1 written over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. But when you have the 24-hour clock format, Shresh, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am. I was there.
Yeah. Now, when you have 24-hour clock format,
Yes, ma'am.
after 12, the moment the clock takes 1 round, okay? After 12, this 1 over here will be written as 13, okay? This 2 will be written as 14, like this, okay? And it continues till you get 24 at 12 over here, okay? So with the 12 hours format, we get 13, 14, 15, 16, like that. Okay, so this one over here, this 13 means 1 PM according to the 12 hours clock format. 14 means 2 PM according to the clock format, like that. Okay. And the moment you get over here, again at 12 midnight, this is your 24 hours, but this will not be written as 24 over there. This will always come like this. Again, the time comes at 00. It starts from midnight, na? So this will be again displayed like this. Okay. Till 23:59, you can see 23:59, you can see the time. But the moment it strikes at 12, exactly at 12 midnight,
Yes,
that means that is the complete 24 hours it has covered. So here again the time restarts. So after 23:59, this will again be 00:00:00 like that.
okay, miss.
Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now, how to convert a 24-hour system into a 12-hour system? Now, what they have given you? Convert 23 hours, 20 minutes, and 30 seconds to 12 hours format. So you will simply subtract 12 hours over here. Okay. This 30 seconds will be as it is.
Okay, ma'am.
This 20 minutes will be as it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what is 23 minus 12?
23 minus 12 is the 23 minus 12 is 11.
11. Yes. So here you are getting 11. That means if you convert it to the 12-hour system, here this is your 11. Okay, 11 hours, 20 minutes, and 30 seconds.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You are simply subtracting the 12 hours format. 12, you will be subtracting from the hours column. You will not subtract from any other column. Okay. Because you are converting it into 12-hour format. So you will be simply subtracting this 12 from the hours column. Okay. And here this is getting converted. Now, if I give you, let's suppose if I give you over here a question where you have to find out the duration. Okay. Then how you will be writing? Now, what is the duration between the given time? 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.
Ma'am, the duration between is 1 hour.
Yes, exactly. We have 1 hour, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the duration over here? 8:40 p.m. to 10:27 p.m.
Ma'am, the duration between 8:40 p.m. to 10:27 p.m. is 2 hours.
Now, see, you can do it mentally also. I'll show you how you can do it. You know what you will be doing? You can just go with the 1 hour clock format like that over here. 8:40 to 9:40 will be 1 hour, right?
1 hour. Yes, ma'am.
And again, when you reaches to 10:40, that will be 2 hour, but here you are not reaching to 10:40. So this is 1 hour over here. And now the remaining time will be in minutes, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So till 9:40, you got this 1 hour, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now till 10 o'clock, how many minutes left for 10 o'clock? How many minutes left? What will be the time difference? 20 minutes, correct? So here you have 20 minutes, plus you have to go till 10:27. That means you need to add more 27 minutes. So how many minutes? If you add 20 plus 27,
47 minutes.
47 minutes. So here this is 47. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just go to the nearest o'clock time. If you go to the nearest o'clock, like I just went over here to the 10 o'clock. I got to know the remaining time that I have, and then you can just add up the extra time that you will be moving on. Okay. That will be easier for you. So you can do it mentally without any calculation over here. Now next, 10:45 a.m. to 11:15 p.m. This is from morning to night.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to be very careful over your AM and PM. So this is 10:45 a.m. to 11:15 p.m. So you see, 10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. Is it 12 hours?
Yes. No, ma'am.
10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. This is morning time, 10:45 And this is night time 10:45. Is it 12 hours or not? When you are covering the same time, like 6 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
exactly 12 hours, right? It is taking another round over there and coming over there. So this is exactly 12 hours, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And after 10:45 p.m., you have to go till 11:15. That means what is the time duration left over here? From 10:45 to 11:15 p.m.
Ma'am, 10:45 to 11:15 p.m.
Yes,
Then the duration would be 30 minutes.
yes, exactly. Here the duration is 30 minutes. So first you are covering 12 hours and then you are covering 30 more minutes. So this would be 12 hours
Okay, ma'am.
and 30 minutes. Okay. So see, you can do it mentally over here without any addition or subtraction over here. Okay. So what we are doing over here, 10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. You know that we are covering 12 hours over here. So we are just writing 12 hours over here. And then what is the time left? You need to reach till 11:15.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely you can see over here that half an hour is more left over here. So the time covered will be, the duration over here will be 12 hours 30 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in the same way, you will be given any vice versa questions. You will be asking, they will be asking you like, what is 2 hours before this time or 2 hours, 20 minutes before this particular time. So you need to go back in that case. Okay. Just like here, we are moving forward. You need to go back in that case. Okay. Okay. Now, let's go with one or two questions over here. Monty was solving a puzzle. The time at which he started and the time at which he solved the puzzle is given below. How much time did Monty take to solve the puzzle? So this is your start time. What is it? What time it is?
Ma'am, the start time is 6. Ma'am, the start time is 6. Ma'am, 6:55.
It is not yet 6. If you reach this minute hand to 12, then it will be 6 o'clock, right?
Okay, ma'am.
But still it is not 6. It is 5 minutes left to 6 o'clock. So this will be 5:55.
5:55.
Once you touch at 6 o'clock, then you will be writing the hour hand as 6. But here you are not reaching 6 o'clock. It is still 5 minutes left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this time over here would be 5:55. And since we don't know whether it's AM or PM, we are not mentioning anything over here. Okay. Now, what is the end time over here?
Ma'am, the end time over here is 7:20.
7:25.
5.
This is 5 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 5, this is 10, this is 15. We just go with the multiples of 5. 20 and this is 25. So this is 7 hours, 25 minutes. So 7:25 this is, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Now this is the end time given, this is the starting time given. You have to find out how much time he is taking to solve the puzzle. What is the time duration in between this?
Ma'am,
Okay.
the time duration.
So from 5:55 to 6:55, this is 1 hour, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So from here to here, this is 1 hour. And now from 6:55, I just told you, you just reach to the nearest o'clock time.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
6:55 to 7 o'clock, if you reach, what will you get?
Now I would get 5 minutes.
This is just 5 minutes, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here you are getting more 5 minutes. So this is 1 hour 5 minutes. That means this is, what's the time for 1 hour? This is 60 minutes. And here we have 5 minutes more. That is 65 minutes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And from 7 to 7:25, what is the duration?
From the 7 to 7:25.
Yeah,
Then the duration would be 25 minutes.
correct. So here you will be adding all three. This is 60 minutes, this is 5 minutes, and this is 25 minutes. So just add up all three. What will you get? 60
Ma'am,
plus 5 is 65. 65 plus 25?
ma'am, 65 plus 25 is, ma'am, 95. 90.
90, correct.
Ma'am, the answer would be 90 minutes.
Yes, yes. So here you will be getting 90 minutes. So when you are writing the time, now always go for the hour hand over here. Check it out whether this is exactly 6 o'clock over here or not. It is not yet 6 o'clock. It is still 5 minutes left. So you cannot write 6 in the hour hand. You will be writing 5 only. Okay? So 5:55.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You can see over here, they have also calculated over here. You got 90 minutes as the answer, right? We got the same thing. Now, next, last question, this one. Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m.
Yeah.
and walked for 15 minutes. If he is walking for 15 minutes, what time it will be?
And the time would be,
From 7:45, if he walks for 15 minutes,
and the time would be,
here what will be the time, beta?
and the time would be 8 o'clock.
8 a.m., correct? So you just keep on mentioning when you read the question now, immediately you just keep on mentioning the time. That will be helping you a lot. So here when Rohan is leaving his house at 7:45 and he walked for 15 minutes. Now the time was 8 a.m. He boarded the bus immediately and the bus dropped him at his school at 9:15. So he boarded the bus at 8 a.m. and now the bus dropped him at school at 9:15 a.m. So how long did the bus take?
Ma'am, the bus took 1 hour 15 minutes. Ma'am, the option
Exactly.
is
Exactly. See, when you are solving immediately with the question itself, now with the statements given, one statement, read one statement, write down the time over there itself. That will be very easy, okay? You will be saving a lot of time. You don't need to read the whole question and then go with the solving part. No. Read the question partly, go with one statement, just write down the time beside that. Again, read another statement, write down the time beside that. You will be saving a lot of time in that, and even you will avoid the confusion also. Okay? Okay. Now just tell me, is the concept clear? Whatever we did today, be it addition, subtraction, or finding out the duration of time,
yes,
or
ma'am.
the conversion over here?
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Any doubt in any of the parts over here?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So here, when you will be enrolling for the class, again, as we are doing with the concepts over here, I'll be teaching you the concepts for each and every chapter. Okay? And after each and every chapter, we'll be solving few questions. Just like now we solved few questions to clear up the concept. We will be solving the questions over there also. Okay? And few questions you will be given as a homework to practice. Then we will be discussing the answers in the class. If you have any doubt, we'll be going with those queries also. Okay. And then we have a mock test after every chapter. That means if I'm just teaching you the time chapter, I'll teach you the concepts in one, like 2 or 3 classes. Okay. All the concepts I will be making clear in 2 or 3 classes. Then we go with the questions from the practice sets. Then we go for the mock test. So I'll be sharing you the team will be sharing you the link over there. You need to appear for the mock test at home. Okay. You can take your time. You can get the printout. You can do the working and you can just submit your responses. You will be getting a link for that. And once you submit your responses, instantly you will be revealed with your marks also and the question that you went wrong with. Okay. Then we discuss those questions in the classes which you went wrong. Okay. Like that, we will be covering all the chapters. Suppose we have 10 chapters. We have covered each and every chapter. We have practiced all the sets. We have given the mock test also. After that, we make you prepare for the super classes. Super classes means, super classes means here we will be giving you the similar pattern that we have in the Olympiad exams. Okay. So you will be solving some Olympiad papers over there. The patterns will be similar. The questions will be taken from all the chapters and you will be solving that out. Okay. So we will be solving some previous year papers also over there. Okay. Okay. So if you like the demo class, then you can just talk to the team. You can enroll for the course. And if you have any queries regarding the classes, time, anything, you can just talk to them. Okay. Okay. So just tell me, how was the demo?
Ma'am, the demo was excellent.
You understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. So you can talk to the team. Just ask your mom to talk to the team. Okay. If you have any queries regarding this, and they will be giving you each and every details regarding this. Okay. Okay. So see you. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.
Yes, ma'am.